I will do at the first some words about Stora Enso in total or in general, and Maria will go then into some details afterwards. Application of advantages of engineered wood products is our part here. I think you just heard something about my name. I live in Austria, and I'm responsible for sales in South Europe for building solutions from Stora Enso. Yes, we are a renewable company, and you see here just some rough figures, a total sales around 9 billion euros, about 19,000 people, and we are in the Nasdaq, the stock market. And I will show later a letter also where you see that we are the oldest stock market company of the world here. We have our strategy is in 4 different situations. You see here the renewable packaging in the center. We do a lot of cups. We do a lot of paper things you need maybe on the daily business. On the left side here is the wood products, where Maria will go a little bit deeper into later then. The base is for sure the forest. We own a big forest because the main part is to have a forest, to have the round logs, to cut that into the sawmills we have, and then to make engineered wood out of it. But for sure we have also the biomaterials on the right side. Here you see when it started, it really started in 1288. It's the first stock market company. We merged then a little bit, but now we are a little bit bigger, and we're really proud to have this paper when we started the stock market part. That's a very important slide. If you see here on the left side, all these parts are made out of Stora Enso products. The one things are the caps. The other things on the left side here, the biomass materials, but also for the batteries. The inside we do out of lignin. We have a big R&D part here to support this. On the right side, for sure, all the carbon footprints. A lot of textile maybe you have is also made out of lignin, so we do also a lot of engineering here. And on the top, the paper boards, and out of the wood parts, as we mentioned, we have CLT, we have KVH, and for sure we have LVL and the old classic zone businesses. Our purpose is really to do best for the future, and that you see here, we have our employees in more than 30 countries. We have a lot of responsible people there. We have about 18 countries where we really have our mills there. And that's a good thing, that we have a good base where we can support projects from you, from architects, and for sure from developers. Here the 3 lines, again, I think I went a little bit more when I explained it. The wood products is the main part we will go now, but for sure the packaging and also the biomaterials are very important for us. Because the forest is the foundation, we all need the forest. On the one thing, to have a sustainable nature, on the other thing, to have the sphere pool. And you see here where we have the forest and how we deal with it. I will not go deeper into the figures, but the biggest forest we have in Sweden, and so we get a lot of pieces out of that for the engineered wood we have then in our projects. That's also, we have a data-driven benefits for the circularity. You see the 3 parts, the climate, the biodiversity, and the circularity. And I think it's the last slide, then I can hand over to Maria. You see, our target is really to have 100% of these technical recyclable products. We are not nearly there, but we are at 94%. That's a really high level. We put a lot of pressure in our own company here. The next is the direct emissions. You see we are now at 53 and 39. We want to go 50 for both then. And the last one is for sure the indicator compliance. And that's a really a big step where we want to go, and we will go in the next years.